Logitech has been producing gaming mice since before the millennium, with the last few years giving us some of the biggest releases on the market overall. Between speedy G Pro lines and more button-heavy G502 models, the brand has a rodent for every genre on its shelves, and we've got our hands on them all. We're constantly on the hunt for the best gaming mouse on the market, and Logitech seems to hit all the right notes regularly. We've noticed that a lot of these mice often outperform other options from Razer and Corsair in the world of comfort and battery life, but with so many different versions up for grabs, it can be difficult to nail down the model that will suit you best. We're constantly testing new Logitech mice. We put all the rodents through their paces, pushing them to their limits in high-energy, first-person shooter environments, while also stress testing programming and ergonomics in slower simulation and action-adventure scenarios. Not only that, but while we test, we're also living with each device, using it for everyday work and travel to make sure it really is the best Logitech gaming mouse all around. The best overall is the Logitech G502X Plus. The Logitech G502X is the brand's best pointer to date. That's not just because of the 25K sensor or comfortable design though. Between the wired and wireless model, everyone can enjoy the gentle slopes and abundance of buttons up for grabs. The cheaper wired model will be the better option for the majority of players. Coming in at $79, this is still a pretty premium device, but it holds itself far away from the $149 cost of the Wireless Plus version. The best budget Logitech gaming mouse is the Logitech G203 Lightsync. If you don't want to blow more than $40 on your Logitech gaming mouse, the G203 Lightsync is the model for you. Not only does this still capable pointer carry an already affordable price tag, but we regularly see it on sale for around $20 as well. That's stunning value for money considering the quality baked in here, as well as those 6 programmable buttons. The best wireless Logitech gaming mouse is the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. Yes, the G502X Plus is a wireless pointer pitched above the Logitech G502 Lightspeed here. However, if you're just after a cordless existence, the older model is substantially better value for money these days. We regularly see this Logitech gaming mouse on offer for well under $100, and considering it still offers the 25K hero sensor and PowerPlay charge mat compatibility, there's still plenty to get excited about here. Our initial review tested the previous iteration with an older 16K DPI sensor. Since then, that's been overhauled to the 25K version, available in the X model for even better tracking. The best Logitech gaming mouse for FPS, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. What if you need more from a wireless Logitech gaming mouse? The G Pro X Superlight took square aim at the ultralight FPS first category when it launched in 2021 and stuck the landing with a 63-gram pointer packing excellent battery life, a flingable form factor, and sturdy build. Logitech refreshed the line in 2023 with the G Pro X Superlight 2, and while it doesn't look too different from the original, the internals have been souped up to meet the latest standards. The best ambidextrous Logitech gaming mouse, Logitech G Pro Wireless. There aren't many left-handed gaming mouse models on the market right now, but Logitech does far more than other brands to accommodate lefties. You'll find plenty of ambidextrous and specifically designed pointers in this roster, including the ever-popular G903, but it's the Logitech G Pro Wireless that takes the cake. The best mini Logitech gaming mouse is the Logitech G705. Whether portability is the aim of the game, or you're a fellow small-handed player looking for a pointer you can actually scale to reach, the Logitech G705 packs a serious punch. However, the reason to avoid it is that it's not for larger hands. The best Logitech gaming mouse, in our opinion, is the G502X Plus. This wireless model has performed best in all our testing, but also offers a more budget-friendly wired version for extra points as well. Logitech has a tough job fending off the best Razer mouse models. The two gaming giants are constantly competing in the worlds of ultralight, standard, and budget pointers. In our experience, each brand excels in its own areas though. Razer has been offering snappier clicks and lighter form factors in its recent releases and has more MOBA or MMO players thanks to its Naga range, all while beating Logitech in terms of RGB functionality. Its sign-up software also offers a more cohesive experience overall. However, Logitech has the upper hand in wireless performance and variety, as well as battery life and productivity features. To ensure that you're getting a gaming mouse that lasts, we're also on the lookout for anything that could present as a problem further down this line.